We'll guide you through how to use Voicemod on Discord. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
Whether you are joking with your friends or adding effects to your voice. So let's get started. First, start by downloading Voicemod on your computer. Just go to any browser to your liking and search for Voicemod. Just click on the first link and click on download for free. Voicemod may ask you to log in with your ID, so just sign in with your account. And for the sake of the video, I have already installed Voicemod on my computer. So after installation, just open the Voicemod. Before using it, you need to check a few important settings. On the left side, click on the settings. Here under input, make sure the correct device is selected by just clicking on the drop down and select your correct device. And you can choose the same for the output also. This ensures your voice and soundboard work properly. Now, just go to the Windows search bar and search for sounds or sound mixer option. And from here, you will see an option labeled as input device. Just click on the drop down and make sure microphone for Voicemod is selected. And after selecting, just go to your Discord. And after you are in the Discord, just click on the settings icon. And in the left hand menus, scroll down until you find an option labeled as voice and video. Just click on it and you will see an option called microphone. Just click on the drop down and make sure Windows default voice mode is selected, or just click on show more if it's not showing and select voice mode manually. And now it's a good idea to test everything. Join a call with a friend or a second account to check if the soundboard is working correctly. As I don't have a second account or a friend, I will just show you on the steps and you will be good to go. Go to voice mode once again and go to your voices. You can also enable hear myself in the voice mode to preview how the sound will play. Just click on the ear icon and you can hear yourself. And another option is just go to sounds and you'll see many of the sound, and you can just play it and you can even add sound from here. And that's it. In this video, we showed you how to set up Voicemod, adjust display settings, and use the soundboard effectively. You can now check our next tutorial video.